found these plans on the YouTube channel and decided to use them. They seem to work pretty well, even though we didn't have the right sizes of plywood. Here Isaac has the camera and he's taking some shots for us, and Jason is teaching me how to measure and use the guide. After a few cuts, I was starting to get the hang of things. Isaac was hanging out on his chair and reading books, and then we went into time-lapse video because why not? And now we're finally at the point where we're starting to actually put the thing together.
Here's our project. We got to the not done stage, and then it's 8:15. Oh, 8:22, and Isaac decides he wants to go for a drive, so that's what we do. You stop the project and we go. Here we go.
We don't always just drop what we're doing and do what Isaac wants to do, but he was so patient all day, so we went. And now we're working on another project. Jason is working on a cover for my barbecue pit area. Not my barbecue pit, my barbecuing area. And he can't find his stuff.
Pencil.
Ah, pencil. In case you're wondering what he's building, it's gonna be over here. We have a little fence piece that was here. I have this grill that I use a lot in the summer, but I haven't been able to use it in the winter because I don't like dealing with that cover, which is now falling apart. It's like actually super crunchy and it tore. So he's building me an actual like covered barbecue area, and eventually I'm gonna clean this up. We'll probably put down some gravel or stepping stones or something, I'm not sure yet. And then the fence part will go back up, and then there's a gate that goes right there. So hopefully we'll show you all that when we're done. But that's the window. That's Isaac's window. I'm putting in kind of clear paneling for the roof part so that Isaac will still have light in his room. And my role in this is to hold things when I'm told to. Jason's goal was to try and get this project done in one day, so he was just like busting it out and just kept going and going and going. Did he just say ow, ow, ow? I think 90% of the difficulty in this project was figuring out how to mount it to the house and the existing fence. But Jason did a great job. Things are looking pretty good on the project here. Jason's cutting the cross members for the section he needs, and then the little wibbly wobblies go on, those things, and then the roofing. Well, he's just about done putting in some of the last screws. This is what it looks like from underneath. And yes, I need to clean my roof and my shed. And we'll pull this stuff out of here, fix the gate, fix the fence. Maybe tomorrow we'll do some grilling. As the sun sets, the project comes to an end. The project is complete. Most likely we'll end up putting something down on the ground here. Maybe gravel, maybe pavers, haven't decided yet. Here's a little gate that we have. That's what it looks like. That's old, very old. And then this is the new roofing that Jason did. He's the man who makes my dreams come true. I come up with ideas, he helps me refine them, and then he makes them happen. So, thanks, hon. This project is all Jason, and I missed a bunch of it because I was inside doing something else. So we just have some photos at the end here and a little bit of video towards the end. But Jason found these plans for making these seats online and decided to just go for it.